Today's factories are powered by AI-driven robotic arms that assemble products with unmatched speed and precision. These robots, equipped with advanced sensors, can perform repetitive tasks 24/7, reducing human error. For example, in automotive plants, they weld and paint cars with micron-level accuracy. Global industrial robot installations reached 553,000 units in 2023, a 15% increase from 2022. This automation revolution is just beginning. Machine learning algorithms enable robots to improve their accuracy over time. Using computer vision, they can now sort irregularly shaped objects with 99.9% precision. For instance, AI-powered robots in electronics factories place microscopic components on circuit boards faster than any human. These systems learn from millions of data points, constantly optimizing their movements. This self-improvement capability is transforming manufacturing quality standards worldwide. Cobots are designed to work safely alongside humans, combining AI intelligence with human flexibility. In modern factories, they handle heavy lifting while workers focus on quality control. For example, at BMW plants, cobots assist in engine assembly, reducing worker strain by 30%. Equipped with force-limited joints and 3D cameras, they stop instantly if they detect human contact. This synergy is creating safer, more efficient workplaces. AI robots are revolutionizing healthcare by assisting in complex surgeries and patient care. The Da Vinci surgical system, for instance, allows surgeons to perform minimally invasive procedures with enhanced precision. In hospitals, delivery robots transport medications with 99.99% accuracy, reducing human errors. These technologies are particularly crucial in aging societies, where robot caregivers can monitor patients 24/7, alerting staff to emergencies. Warehouses now rely on AMRs that navigate dynamically using AI and LiDAR. Amazon's facilities deploy over 500,000 robotic drive units that can sort 1,000 packages per hour. These robots calculate optimal routes in real time, avoiding obstacles and coordinating with each other. They've reduced order processing times by 50% in major distribution centers. The global AMR market is projected to reach $18 billion by 2027, transforming logistics forever. Swarm Robotics involves hundreds of small AI robots working together like insect colonies. In construction, drone swarms can 3D print structures layer by layer. For disaster response, they form living bridges or search rubble collaboratively. Researchers at Harvard demonstrated 1,024 kilobots that self-organized into complex shapes. This technology promises to revolutionize fields from agriculture to space exploration through collective intelligence. Automation could displace 300 million jobs globally by 2030, according to McKinsey. While factories celebrate 40% productivity gains, workers protest outside. The paradox is clear. AI creates new tech jobs, but eliminates many traditional roles. For example, self-checkout systems have reduced retail cashier positions by 30% since 2020. Governments now face urgent questions about universal basic income and retraining programs in the AI era. Forward-thinking companies are investing in VR training programs for human-robot collaboration. Workers learn to program and maintain cobots through immersive simulations. For example, Siemens trains 10,000 employees annually in digital factories. These programs focus on skills AI can't replicate: creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving. By 2025, 50% of all employees will need significant reskilling, according to the World Economic Forum. Lights-out manufacturing, where factories operate 24/7 without human presence, is becoming reality. Fanuc's Japan facility runs unsupervised for 30 days straight, producing robots that build more robots. These factories leverage IoT sensors and predictive AI to prevent breakdowns before they occur. While currently limited to high-value industries like semiconductors, this model may expand as technology advances and labor costs rise globally. The future isn't humans versus robots, it's humans with robots. In smart cities, delivery bots coexist with pedestrians, while robotic exoskeletons assist construction workers. AI handles dangerous tasks like mining or deep-sea repairs, freeing humans for creative work. This symbiosis could raise global productivity by 40% by 2035, Accenture. The challenge lies in ensuring this transition benefits all of society, not just corporations.